Hi, my name is Monica Kar. We recently gave our i20 Sports to get our seat covers done. The whole process was really seamless. They showed us different colors and suggested what will match good. We finally chose beige for our car, and the seat covers are so perfectly done. The stitching and the finishing is so very good. It feels so comfortable to sit in the car. I'm really happy with the results from Orchis. Thank you.